Hi, Constantu. Ben from Bite Size Irish here, and today I'd like to take a bite-sized look at how to say bicycle and some associated words and terms in Irish. So first of all, the Irish word for bicycle is ruther. Ruther. And again, ruther. And this word comes from the Irish word for wheel, which is simply ruh. Ruh. And again, ruh. A person who cycles, a cyclist, is a ruhí. Ruhí. And again, ruhí. The action of cycling is ruhíocht. Ruhíocht. And again, ruhíocht. So if you wanted to say, I love cycling, and I do, you would say, Is beaglam bheith ruhíocht. Is beaglam a bheith ruhíocht. Is beaglam a bheith ruhíocht. A bicycle chain is a slabhra ruchais. Slabhra ruchais. And again, slabhra ruchais. So here the word slabhra means chain, and ruchais is this word ruther, bicycle, in its genitive form. Brakes, well, they are cuscáin. Cuscáin. And again, cuscáin, brakes. So in English, we have the expression on your bike, which means be gone, off with you, leave me alone. In Irish, we have a similar expression or expressions, but we don't use the word bike in them. So an example of how you would say off with you, be gone, is bailg leat. Bailg leat. And again, bailg leat. You could also say grad leat. Grad leat. Grad leat. Okay then, I hope you enjoyed today's little lesson. I'm off on my bike. Till the next time, slán go fóill. Bye for now.
Transform your Irish language journey in 1 week. Take the gaeilge 1 week challenge starting Monday. It doesn't matter if you're just starting off, coming back to Irish, or you're already an active learner. Go to challenge.irish or click the link in the description.